Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to make your iPhone keyboard look bigger. Now, the best way to do this is to use the display zoom features. To enable it, head to the Settings app. Here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. In this menu, scroll down and tap on Display Zoom. Now, choose the large text option. Then, tap Done. Select Use Zoom to confirm the change. Wait for your iPhone to refresh and the keyboard should appear big. However, this will also make everything else look big on your iPhone. If you don't want that, use the link in the description to download this ReBoard app. Once downloaded, open the Settings app. Now, tap on General. Here, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Then, tap Keyboards. In this menu, tap Add New Keyboard. Now, select ReBoard. After this, open the keyboard in any app. Here, tap and hold this globe icon. Select ReBoard from this list. Now, click this gear icon. Then, tap plus icon to make the keyboard bigger. As you can see, it's much bigger than before and works quite well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.